everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture, we'll discuss how to draw automatic ducting layout in Revit. So let's start. So here you can see I have placed the mechanical equipment, okay, means the FCU, and we have also done the placement of diffusers. So now we need to draw the automatic ducting layout. So for that, simply what you need to do, first just select this fan coil unit and right click on drag point. Draw duct option is available. Draw the duct, because here I want to check the middle elevation of this ducting layout. See, the duct lower and bottom is 5 feet 3 inch, middle elevation is 5 feet 10 inch. Just copy it, Control C. Okay, now just delete this value. Now what we need to do, how much? 5 feet 10 inch. Okay, now we have checked the middle elevation of this duct is 5 feet 10 inch. Remember, because this will help you. So what you need to do, just select the FCU and the complete diffuser from the drawing. Okay, modify tab, create system panel. Here you will get the option of duct. Hit on this duct. Which type of duct you are drawing? Supply air duct. So from the list you need to select the supply air duct. System name mechanical supply air. Okay. Now see, in the layout panel you will get one option, generate layout. Hit on this generate layout. Now automatically here 6 layout is given by the Revit. So which type of layout you want? Hit on next solution. If you want this type is okay, otherwise hit on next. You will get the different layout. Again you can see, but I want this. This is the perfect layout. Okay na? So fifth one I have selected. This ducting layout I want to draw. Okay, after selecting the ducting layout, hit on this setting. Here this is the two option, main duct option, branch duct. So first you need to come here in the main duct. Duct type, which type of duct you need to select, you can select from here. Okay, whatever type of, suppose rectangular duct, radius elbow tab, you can select. Offset, in offset value always remember you need to enter the middle elevation which we have checked. When we have started, we have checked the middle elevation of duct. How much it is? 5 feet 10 inch. So here I have given the value. Same way in the branch duct, you can change the duct type, radius elbow tabs, and offset value same, 5 feet 10 inch, correct? Hit on OK. And then finally in the generate layout panel, hit on finish layout. Now see, here you will get the ducting layout like this. You can see in 3D view. In this way, we need to draw the automatic ducting layout in Revit. So hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in the next one.